What's going on, everybody? We're back with another video. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Right now we are in a house, a brand new build in my neighborhood. I'll let y'all check it out real quick. As you can see, this house is pretty nice. I typically come in houses, new houses when they build them in my neighborhood to get ideas when I'm rehabbing houses of my own. Look at these houses because they're brand new, so it shows me what's hot in 2019, what people want to see. And I implement all these ideas into my own houses that I build when I build my houses or buy houses. And also when I do rehabs for my renters and my tenants and my rent-to-own buyers and stuff like that. So it gives me a great idea. I can see hands-on instead of looking on pictures or looking on the internet. I actually get to see, touch, feel, look at it with my own eyes, and it gives me good ideas to use when I'm doing my own houses. So I usually come and check the houses out. So that's what I do. I just want to show y'all so y'all can see what I look at and give y'all ideas when y'all do y'all rehabs and projects and stuff like that. So thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed the content. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.